race again. So he wants to take a revenge.
Revenge, because I know I can do this.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody, you guys. How are you doing? We are doing good. I am excited to share this idea with you because it's a little bit different from what I usually do. I usually work with balloons mostly, and then I add a few things here and there. So today is completely and totally different. I will be using something in a big amount and then a little bit of balloons. Here is a picture that I got inspired by. I hope you can see focus. I love how they set everything up. I have no idea who's the creator of this setup. I love that they used a whole bunch of greenery in the back, and then they did like this accent with those animal printed orbs balloons. Beautiful. If you know the creator, if you are a creator of this backdrop, let me know in the comment section below. I would like to credit you for this beautiful backdrop. So I would like to see if I can recreate or make something close to this backdrop. I got these animal printed balloons from Garland Paper and Balloon Company. Go check their website out, you guys. They have a huge selection of balloons and different party supplies, balloons from different companies. They have it all. If you're a new customer to Garland Paper and Balloon Company, you can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This code is an affiliate code. It's totally up to you if you want to use it or not, and this code is valid only for your first purchase. So go check them out. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video. Wish me luck and let's go. Here is what I'm planning to use in today's setup. These are my orbs balloons in 5 different animal prints. They are all 15 inches in diameter. Next we have metallic fringe drape in gold and metallic gold curtain as well. I will be using lots and lots of green stuff, and I will talk about the green stuff in a second. Now let's take down my backdrop frame and move it to a different room. So here, you guys, is what I'm planning to use for my green backdrop. This is artificial, kind of like a grass backdrop. I didn't buy this thing. This was given to me after I worked and helped one of the brides to decorate her for her bridal shower and wedding. So she just passed this to me and said, keep it. So here is how this looks from the back. They come in these squares like these. Each square have these like kind of like holes and these thingies, like pokey things that you can attach your squares together with. So basically you're taking a square, attach them together like this. This one ripped, so be careful how you take them apart. I don't know where exactly the bride got these squares of grass from. I will link a website where I know that they sell these things. So let's connect this green by the size of my backdrop frame, and then we will hang this piece of greenery on my backdrop. You guys, before I'm gonna move to building my green wall, I quickly wanted to show you another way how you can connect these squares together, because sometimes these little ears, they can break from your squares and you're basically done. You know what I mean? You don't have any other way. Wrong, because there's another way. You just take a zip tie. These are really, really small zip ties. I don't know the size of them. I received these with one of my backdrops, so I kind of had them and I will use them. So you take your zip tie and you see these little holes. Go through those holes with your zip tie and zip tie it. Not all the way, but to make sure it has the same space over here as over here. I feel like these zip ties, they are better than just using these little ears to construct this whole thing, because afterwards you can, you know, simply roll everything up without worrying that something's gonna slip out and, you know, undo itself. Put it in a storage bag and put it in your storage. And then next party comes, you unroll this whole thing and you already have a full wall of greenery. So this is kind of like my tip. Let's go and construct this whole thing. I'm done building my thing. Now I need to attach this green wall to my pipe over here. So I am taking bigger size zip ties. I bought these on Amazon. These are 350 millimeters, 50 pounds zip ties. I am taking this zip tie and I'm literally zip tying my wall to my pipe. Zip tying our green wall to our pipe. As you can see, we zip tied one square in two different spots, so beginning and other side as well, and then going to the next square right here, there, next one and next one. Oh, missed one zip tie over here. So we're gonna fix that in a little bit. The reason why we zip tied more here, because this part of the square was ripped and it wouldn't hold the weight when we would place it on our stands. My green wall is on my frame, you guys. I really like it. I like how it looks. Definitely a few things that I need to fix over here, like a few cracks, like here, some at the bottom, maybe some at the top, but it's looking really cute. If you don't like this transparency of your wall, you can always put black fabric behind and it will kind of block all the light that is coming through this green wall. I'm okay with it. I'm gonna keep it just like this. This wall over here ended up being 7 feet by 7 feet, and this frame over here ended up being 7 feet 8 inches wide and 7 feet 8 inches tall. This frame can't go any smaller. These pipes can't move any closer because that's the smallest that you can come together. Now you can extend this frame to 10 feet. But I love this frame. This is the frame that I'm using in every single video when I'm filming in my filming room. I love it. It's very sturdy and I never had a problem with this frame. So let's go fix those gaps, those cracks, and then we'll move on to another step. Hey guys, I am ready to inflate my orbs balloons. I will be using my hand pump to inflate all of my orbs balloons, and who's following me for quite some time, you know the reason. For those who are new here, you guys, all of the self-sealing orbs, foil balloons, they do have this plastic insert in them. If you're going to be using warm electric balloon pump, you have a chance that you can melt these inserts right here, and your balloons will start deflating little by little, and your balloons will be practically ruined. It's going to take a little bit longer, but you will be sure that your balloons won't lose any air and that plasticky thing won't be melted. All right, this balloon looks really, really beautiful. I love the print. It is so like jungle-like. There's the thing, you guys, you need to inflate your orbs balloons until your seams on your balloons won't have any wrinkles. So clearly this is the perfect size for these orbs balloons because I don't see any wrinkles. So let's blow the rest of our orbs balloons. So pretty.
Hey, we're racing.
Oh, are we?
Yeah.
Okay, race. It's not the best lighting right now, but hey, maybe I should take a different one.
To be fair, wait.
I'll take this one. Giraffe. Ready, set, go. Oh my goodness, it's so high. I can't.
No way, you beat me.
Yay! I won!
I didn't get it started good.
Well, there's always another chance. We still have, what, 5 more to go? Good try.
No, I didn't get it started good.
Good try. Well,
Okay.
so you guys, attempt number 2. So first time I won. So he wants to take a revenge.
Revenge. 'Cause I know I can do this. I can win.
He can do this. We'll see. My arms are pretty tired because we blew all of the balloons and I am clearly faster than him. But thank you for your help. Now let's try this. So we're gonna race again. I wish someone can say ready, set, go, but
We'll do a countdown.
so we're allowed to only unfold balloons without inserting our pumps into the balloons.
No!
Am I winning? Who's gonna win? I'm hot. This is my second win. I'm sorry, Annie. I'm sorry. Better luck next time.
So I give up here.
But yeah, he helped me a lot blowing all of the balloons. Whoever voted for me, woo! Thank you for your support.
Yes.
Come again. So how am I planning to attach my orbs balloons to my green wall? I cut a short piece of fishing line. I'm gonna tie this fishing line to my balloon. And then I'm gonna go to my wall and literally tie this balloon with fishing line to my green wall. This is how it looks from the back. I literally tied the fishing line right to this grid over here. To my balloons, as you can see here, it's kind of wobbly. I want them to be like clustered together to give a good base for my greenery. So I am taking my glue dots. By the way, this apron will be linked in the description under the video. This is from Laura Del Paper and Balloon Company. Very handy. I have my rubber bands, I have my scissors, I have my command hooks, fishing line, everything is here in one spot, so very handy. Anyways, I am taking my glue dots and I am putting 1-2 glue dots to kind of glue them all together. Some greenery, you guys. I have 2 buckets full of different types of greeneries right here. This bunch of greeneries I bought from my local AC Moore store. They were closing down, going out of business, and they had really good sales, so I got a really good deal on this bunch. this bucket over here, different styles as well, different types, different shades of green, I bought from different places, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, other places, and I will try to include everything into my backdrops. I want to work with this bucket first, give a really good greenery base with this greenery, and then at the very end I want to insert and add my palm leaves and other more greener leaves on top, so the palm leaves would stand out more. I am taking my greeneries, inserting them into my wall, through the wall, and I am weaving my greenery stems through this grid right here, and it holds very, very well. But not least, our gold fringe drape. This is a long fringe, kind of like a curtain thing. So I am taking my scissors and I am cutting not too big of a pieces. I don't know, like 5, 6, 7 inches pieces, just like this. Going to our wall with our fringe and starting to tuck in our fringe into our green grass. You can absolutely pin this fringe with pins with pearls on top. Take the pin and pin it straight to your leaves. Just put some force into it and pin will go straight through this leaf. I've done that before. It will hold your stuff decor very, very well. You can also tuck in your fringe on an angle to kind of give your fringe a little bit of an angled look. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I am trying to hide this portion underneath my balloons or next to my greeneries and kind of like play around with it. Is what I have for you guys today. This is my take on this backdrop, inspired by the picture that I showed you in the beginning of this video. You guys, pretty close, but definitely not the same. But I really do like what I see here. Very subtle, very straight to the point, but definitely a statement, you guys. Love it so much. I love these orbs balloons. I am super happy with them, with the quality. None of the balloons had holes, or none of the balloons deflated on me or popped while I was trying to, you know, blow them up. Everything's good. Love it. The only thing that I wish I had is more of the greenery. I wanted to add more greenery probably here, maybe a little more around the balloons, but hey, it's not bad. It's looking really good in my opinion. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video, and some pictures will be there as well. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful and inspiring. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button down below for more videos and interesting ideas. And I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.